Hello students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are doing well. Now students, we will start a new chapter 3, digestive system. But before starting a new chapter, I want to discuss few things. First of all, what is food and why do we need food? Food is a substance that satisfies our hunger. And why do we need food? Because it gives us energy. And why do we need energy? We need energy to do various activities. Now food, whatever food we eat, it has to be broken down into simpler substances. So let us discuss how the digestion process takes place in our body. Now whatever food we eat, first it goes into the mouth, and in mouth what happens? The teeth, it chews and grind the food. That means the teeth breaks down complex food into smaller substances. Then food, it gets mixed with saliva in the mouth. Now what is saliva? Saliva is actually watery liquid secreted into the mouth by glands which makes our food soft and helps in swallowing. So the food, when it gets mixed with saliva, we swallow it, and then it passes through a long tube. What is it? A food pipe. It is also known as esophagus. Okay, it is also known as esophagus. So this food is swallowed and passed through a long tube called food pipe into the stomach. Now the food passes through the food pipe, also known as esophagus, and it goes into the pouch-like organ known as stomach. Now here in stomach, which is a hollow muscular bag, this stomach secretes digestive juices called gastric juices. Now these juices in the stomach, they break down the protein in the food. Then from the stomach, the food is pushed into a long coiled tube called the small intestine. Now three juices, namely intestinal, bile and pancreatic juice, they are secreted into the small intestine. Now these juices, what they do, they help to complete the process of digestion. And actually the digestion of nutrients and minerals, they takes place in the small intestine. Now what happens? The digested food is absorbed by blood vessels. Then these blood vessels, what they do, they carry these nutrients to all the parts of the body. Now the undigested food from small intestine passes to the large intestine. Now in large intestine, extra water is absorbed from the undigested food and then carried to kidneys by blood vessels. Now there is an interesting fact that small intestine, even though they are longest organ of human body and they are about 20 feet long, they are called small intestine. Why? Because they are narrower than large intestine. Large intestine, as you can see, they are broader. Solid waste is thrown out of body through an opening called anus. Now, so these are all the process of digestion. Here we can see the food, it enters through the mouth. and then it goes into the food pipe, and from food pipe it goes to the stomach, and then from there it goes to the small intestine, then large intestine, and finally it comes out, the solid waste, it comes out of the body through anus. Now let us define digestion. I told you about the whole process of digestion and the organs that are involved during the process of digestion. Now let us define digestion. Digestion is the process in which complex food, now whatever food we eat, which is not broken down into smaller pieces, they are considered as complex food. Be it your chapati, be it your rice, fruits, vegetables and all. So once it goes into the mouth, it is broken down into simple soluble substances so that it can be absorbed easily inside our body and can get easily digested. That is known as digestion. Why bread tastes sweet on chewing? The answer is saliva changes insoluble starch in the food into soluble sugars. So that's why whenever we eat bread, we eat chapati, it tastes sweeter when we chew them. Then comes how many salivary glands are present in body. Now what are salivary glands? Salivary glands are the glands that secrete saliva. And what is saliva? Just now I told you, saliva, they are the watery liquid secreted into the mouth by these glands, which makes our food soft. So how many salivary glands are present in the body? There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. They are present at bottom and sides of mouth. Now students, let us solve exercise which is given on page number 36 and 37. First is A. Part A is tick the right option. First is the process in which complex food is broken into simpler substances. The answer is digestion. 2. Saliva helps in digestion of. The answer is starch. Then third, there are dash pairs of salivary glands. The answer is 3. Fourth, the longest organ of human body is. The answer is small intestine. Then comes fifth, dash consists of roughage and water. The answer is large intestine. Then part B, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Now options are given here. First one is dash is opening through which solid waste is thrown out of the body. The answer is anus. 2. Intake of the large amount of roughage can cause constipation. The answer is constipation. Third, extra water is absorbed in dash large intestine. Fourth, digested food is absorbed by blood vessels. It's given here, blood vessels. Then fifth, juices in the stomach break down the dash in the food. The answer is protein. Protein. Then comes C part. Give one word for the following. Wounds cannot caused by acidic secretion in stomach. Now what happens when we don't eat? The acid which is present in stomach, it starts eating the cells of the stomach and it causes wounds, also known as ulcers. So the answer would be ulcers. Again, ulcers, ulcers. Then second, saliva helps in digestion of. The answer is starch. Other name for food pipe is esophagus. Oesophagus. Then fourth one, help in grinding and chewing of food. The answer is teeth. Teeth. Then fifth one, juices secreted by walls of stomach. The answer is gastric juices. Gas, gas, tric, trick. Then comes D, part D, which is name the following. You have to name the following organs. First is a picture of small intestine. Small intestine. Now the second one is a pouch-like organ, which is stomach, stomach. Then comes food pipe. There is a long tube which is connected to the stomach. So this is food pipe. Then comes, this picture is of large intestine. Then comes E part. Match the following organs with their functions. The first one is anus. Its function is to excrete waste from body. So excretion of waste from body. C part. Then the second one is teeth. What will be its function? The function of teeth is to chew and grind food. So chewing and grinding of food. E. Food pipe. What is the function of food pipe? Passage of food. D. Then large intestine. What it does? What is the function of large intestine? What is the function of large intestine? It absorption of water. And gastric juices, digestion of proteins. Then comes true or false. Teeth help to absorb food. Is it true or false? This is false. Because teeth, what it does? It helps in grinding and chewing of food. Then comes saliva helps in digestion of starch. This is true. Then solid waste is thrown out of body through small intestine. This is also false. The answer is anus. Then comes fourth one. Gastric juices help in digestion of starch. This is also false. Gastric juices, what it does? It helps in the digestion of proteins. Then comes small intestine is the longest organ of human body. Is this true or false? This is true.